Today I'm in my front yard, and if you've had any problems with moles like I have, it's destroyed my entire yard. First it started with my backyard, and little by little, they've made their way to my side yard and my front yard. So I've been driving myself crazy, and if you've had problem with moles, I don't know if this will help you, but something that has started to help me is catching these little critters with a scissor trap. These are the mole traps that I'm using. They're the scissor traps. I bought them off of Amazon, and they are powder coated. I have 2 of them, and this is the technique I use to catch my first mole. I have one trap about 10 feet in that direction, and my other one was placed here. I did choose the straightest mole hill run that I could find. I tried several different techniques before. Of course, I read a lot online and I watched a lot of you on YouTube trying to figure out what is the best placement for these traps. This particular mole run was created the night before. I saw it, it was freshly popped up, and I thought, this is my chance. I'm going to put this trap, I'm going to put another one about 10 feet that way, and this is my chance to catch this little booger. So, sure enough, that next night, about 7 or 8 o'clock, I saw that this one was tripped. And I couldn't wait to come out here and see what I got. And at first, I didn't think I caught anything, but sure enough, I got him. So I'm going to show you that video, me pulling him out of the ground, just a minute. First, I want to show you how to place this trap. If you've never used a scissor trap before, super easy. So, like I said, you know the placement and how I did it. Put it in the ground. Before you put it in the ground, you want to make sure that you do step on your placement, because the mole, when it comes through, it's going to disturb the soil. When it pushes that soil up, it's going to activate this little pad right here. That pad is what pops that trap. So you do want to make sure that soil is pushed down. All you do is stick your trap in the ground. I rock it back and forth just a little bit to make sure that it is seated in there fairly firmly, and then we're going to step on that pedal. When you step on that pedal and push it down, it's going to open up those scissors, and then it's going to push that pedal down to the surface of the soil. And give it a little rock back and forth, make sure it's firm, make sure that it caught and that it's locked, and that's it.
Got something? You do?
Yes.
Okay, is it alive or dead?
I don't know.
Oh no.
It has one.
Ooh, I don't know if I want to see that.
Oh my gosh.
What? Is it gross?